Just wait. You can go through your marks. Yeah, this is your cycle test 1 marks. Okay, this is your cycle test. So first cycle test marks. Okay, go through quickly. Once again, I'll show your marks. Go through quickly. This is your first cycle test marks. Okay, students, now I'll start our session. Hope you all go through your marks. I think the Rini only file is missing. Just one wait. Okay, Rini, I'll check your paper, but this is only a correct mark. Please go through your answer keys. Yeah. Okay, once again, I'll show the mark. Please go through quickly. I know the name of the two person because only the file name is there. There is no name in the file. The name of the file is Adobe Scan July 16, 2021. Adobe Scan. Who's that? Send the name without name. There is no name in the inside a paper. Adobe Scan July 16, 2021. Next one. Second file. PDF. That underscore 16 July 21 underscore 1 hyphen ch cooking. Ch cooking, the file name. I don't know the name of the two student file name. Then you can reply quickly who's the two students. And there is no name in the file also. This is your marks for your cycle test 1. Okay, students, now we'll move on to our class. In the last class, we'll discuss that exercise number 1.5. I think that first two sums will complete it. Okay, just one right. Yes, one students. Okay. Then hope you all go through your cycle test marks. Is it clear? Anybody having any problem with your cycle test, you can send a mail and then I'll clarify doubts. Please check your answer keys. Okay, please check your answer key because which place you have made a mistake. Okay, I can identify your mistakes because lot of members will write in a single line answer. Okay, because you made a mistake. For example, the set consists of the element 0, 1, suppose you'll miss one single element also, definitely will reduce the mark. Okay, and the set is consists of the element 0, 1, Rajini, I get the paper, but only is 3 pages. Yeah, the remaining pages only blank. Okay, once again, you'll recapture the file and send. That file consists of 10 pages, but I got only 3 pages in writing things. Okay, the remaining 7 pages empty page only. It's a blank page. Okay, once again, you can recapture and you can send to my mail ID after complete the session. Okay, students, now we'll come back to our class. Hope you're all go through your mark. Okay, is anybody having any problem with your mark? Then once again, I'll share in the next class. Okay, in exercise number 1.5. Student, those you are entered in the late means I don't bother about the things. Okay, you want any clarification, you can send a mail. Now the third problem, question number 3 in exercise number 1.5. Exercise number 1.5, third question. What is the third question? They will define a set A. Set A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z. X such that X belongs to Z and minus 2 less than X less than or equal to 4. And set B. They will define set B X such that X belongs to the whole number W and X is less than or equal to 5. X is less than or equal to 5. Yeah, and next to set C, the element of set C, they will given directly minus 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. 0, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. This is element of set C. Here, we'll verify the distributive property. Here, we'll verify the distributive property. But they didn't mention as a distributive property. Okay, they didn't mention as a distributive property. They will given like A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union B intersection A union C. Okay. This one you can verify for this problem. Okay, listen carefully. Set A and set B. So what is the form of set A and set B? Which form? Descriptive form or set builder form or roster form? Okay, they will given set builder form. Set A and B, they will given like set builder form. We have to convert it into roster form first. Okay, we have to convert it into roster form first. The element of set A. That is Z. Z is nothing but set of all integers. Okay. Z is nothing but set of all integers. Okay, that integers means that minus number, 0 and positive number. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, children. Like 2 days ago, we have sent you a Google form to fill in your email ID so that we may share your recorded videos. We have not received the email IDs from most of the children. So as soon as this class is over, ensure that you update this Google form, furnishing your email ID and phone numbers. It is in the Google Classroom. That is one information. The second one is I want you to have plain DPs. Do not have photos or other things as your profile picture. So these are the 2 instructions that I want you to follow. Thank you. Email IDs are to be furnished immediately if you have not done it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
I can't in what is Sneha's problem?
Ma'am?
Sneha says I can't in something. Okay, we will find out later, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Student, listen carefully. What is the information they will post it in the school? Immediately you can update. Okay, the instruction is updated from the school. Immediately you can update your information. Okay, then only you can receive the quick continuation. Okay, listen. Now we'll come back to the class. The
Not
set
able to
A.
link into the Google form, we will check that. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now we'll get back to the class. Set A. The set A they will describe in set builder form. Now we'll convert the set A into roster form. That is, X belongs to Z. Z is nothing but set of all integers. Okay, that -2 less than X. Okay, less than, just we can skip the element. Then after that -2, we'll write the element -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. X less than or equal to 4, which means you can include the element 4. Yeah, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, that's set B. Element of set B. X belongs to W. The W is nothing but set of all whole number. Whole number is started from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X is less than or equal to 5. Okay, X is less than or equal to 5. That is till 5. We'll write your elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And element of set C already they will given. No problem. Once again, you can write the element of set C. -4, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. Now we can write down the First, we can check LHS and next one RHS, and both LHS and RHS are equal or not. This is only the idea for this problem. Yeah, those you know the idea, just you can try to identify B intersection C first. Next, A union B intersection C. For your right hand side, A union B first. Next, A union C, and intersection between A union B and intersection between A union C. Now for your left hand side. For your left hand side, B intersection C. B intersection C. Okay. B intersection C is nothing but the element of the set intersection between the set B and C. Now we can observe set B and C. This is the element of set B and this is the element of set C. What are the common elements? 0, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is called B intersection C. Common between the set B and C. Which elements are common? 0, 2, 3, 4. Next, A intersection B. A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. A union B intersection C. Then what is the element of set A? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now B intersection C is 0, 2, 3, 4. Union join. But the repetition of element is not allowed. One element, right? One at a time. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the element of A union B intersection C. Call it as equation number 1. On your right hand side, first one, A union B. A union B. Union of the two set A and B. Union of the two set A and B. That is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, A union C. Next, A union C. A union C. Okay, A union C. Union between the two set A and C. Union between the two set A and C. Okay, now we can join the element of A and C. -4, -1, 0, -4, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the element of set A union C. A union C. Next, you can identify intersection between A union B and A union C. You got that answer. Yeah, try to complete this problem. I'll complete the conclusion for this problem at the top. Yeah, for the first alone, I can refer it. For the question, you can refer your textbook. Here we want to verify distributive property, one of the distributive property. Yeah, one of the distributive property. Now, A union B intersection A union C. Intersection are common. Which elements are common? -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These elements are common. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Call it as equation number 2. Now we can observe equation number 1 and 2. Those two are equal or unequal? Yes, equation 1 and 2 are equal. From 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. From 1 and 2, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. This is the one of the distributive property. You can copy this problem. Actually, in the previous exercise and all, we can identify a union of the two sets separately and intersection of the two sets separately. But now we can combine and together to do the problem. Union and intersection. First, inside a bracket, we'll done intersection and A union B intersection C. Anyone having any doubts? They can ask your doubts. Now we can complete this problem. Yeah, the question they will given in a set builder form. I can convert it into roster form. Then you can proceed the problem. The conversion. Suppose this problem they will ask the 5 marks means for the conversion they will provide 1 mark. Okay, for the conversion they will provide 1 mark. Just do it quickly, students. Already 4th problem will completed. That is Venn diagram for the distributive property. Next, I'll move on to the 5th problem. Question number 5. I think better I'll move on to 6th problem. 5th one you can do it as a homework. Yeah, 6th one. Next one I'll move on to the 6th problem. Better you have to complete the 5 and 7 as a homework. Anyone having any doubt in this problem? Can ask your doubts. Okay, listen. That is that A union B intersection C mean you can join A and B intersection C. But here it is intersection between the two sets. I can combine. What is the intersection? Common element. Yeah, common element. Common element between the two sets. That A union B intersection. Now, what is the element of A? -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B intersection C is 0, 2, 3, 4. Union join -1, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection common. Union all the elements will write in a single set, but the repetition of element is not allowed. Here also 0, here also 0. No need to write 0, 0. Then here also 2 and here also 2. No need to write 2, 2. That one element, one at a time in a set. That A union B intersection C join the two sets or join the element of two sets A and B intersection C. Complete this problem. Okay, student, once again, I'll share your marks. Please go through. If anybody having any doubts or any queries, you can ask your doubts. The 2 file names alone, okay, I'll read the file name. The 2 file name alone, I don't know the name of the student, okay. I don't know the handwriting of the students also. That's why I can send your name. Yes, one, right? Okay, I'll share the paper. Then you can go through the things. Then you can share the name also. I don't know the name of the students. This file. The name is cutted by the students while you are scanning the paper. Who's that paper? Go through the paper and tell me the name of the student. Who's this paper? Student, go through this paper. Who's that paper? Tell you the name of the student. And next one. This one, second paper. This also there is no name. Yeah. Tell me the name of the student. Who's that paper? The two paper, first paper. Who's that first paper? And who's the second paper? Now you can tell me your names. Okay, now once again I'll share the mark. Please go through. Quickly you can go through your mark. Quickly you can go through your mark. With Ragini alone, you can again rescan the paper and send to my mail ID after complete this class. Okay, this is your marks for your cycle test. Those marks are not entered means I don't know the name of the two student file name. Oh, sorry, name of the two students. Then remaining empty means I'll consider you are absent only. Okay, this is your mark for your cycle test one. That CH cooking is Harshavardhini. Okay, thank you. First paper is Yalini. Okay, thank you, students. We'll meet on tomorrow's session. Then Aishwarya, I didn't get the paper of Aishwarya. Otherwise, I'll send a paper to my mail to Aishwarya. No, Ashwin, that we will enter only your marks. Already I'll corrected your papers. Okay, thank you, students. We'll meet on tomorrow's session. Thank you.